guys, really quickly, I am doing a DIY on making my drapes. And so you're gonna just see me doing piece by piece so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm not gonna ramble, but you're gonna see me doing some stitch witchery, so where I'm ironing some stuff. You're gonna see me sewing. You're gonna see me doing some painting, connecting them and putting them together. So let's go ahead and go. Hey guys, really quickly, so I am doing a do-it-yourself project, another DIY, I know, but whenever you buy a house, it can become pricey decorating, furnishing, everything. So a lot of things I want to take upon myself that I know I can do. So, excuse me. So of the mini projects, today I'm going to show y'all how I create my own panels for my window. So I'm gonna be doing window treatments, which are just basically curtains, just a fancy way of saying curtains, and or drapes. And so these drapes here, I don't know if I remember when I showed y'all, but I'll try and do maybe a before and after picture. But these blue drapes here are what I had up. These are actually 108 inches long. And so these drapes here was actually on my windows, and I'll show you in just a minute what I'm talking about. And I only had them halfway of my whole window. So I have a little bit over like 20 foot high ceilings. And so basically I only did like halfway because the drapes were very expensive to purchase. And plus we didn't have a ladder to go way up. We didn't want to pay anybody. And we just thought it would be just easier to purchase these and hang them up. A little bit later, I'll go into detail about where I bought the original curtains from and how much they were. I'll go into that maybe a little bit later. I don't want to make this video too long. But anyway, so now that we are trying to finish furnishing our house and also getting it, you know, the way that we really want it, I am now going to make my own drapes. And what I am doing is I am attaching another fabric to my current curtain to make a longer drape. Okay, so in all I'm gonna have about 17 feet worth of drapes on each window. And so there's about 5 windows, or there's 4 windows, but there's 5 slots that I'm gonna have my drapes on. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that really quickly so y'all can kind of get an idea, and then you're going to watch me finish my DIY. So in the beginning, I think I talked a little bit, but you're going to see me painting the little circles that's around on the curtain, and I'm painting because they're originally copper and I wanted them silver to match the decor. So let me go ahead and show you what I want to show you, and then y'all going to see me get ready to cut and hem and stitch witchery and sew and paste. Alright guys, so here you can see my original curtains, and I only have them here halfway down, and they are 108 inches long. Okay, so what I'm wanting to do is put the rod way up there and have them just in between each window and on the side, and hang all the way down here now that we've put up blinds. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. used to snap peas. I used to snap green beans. Like I used to do everything with my grandma. I miss those